Hi guys, so today we are making a classic Indian street food favorite, Aloo Pakora. This crispy and flavorful fritters are the perfect snack or appetizer. We'll be combining potatoes with a crispy chickpea flour batter and deep fry them to golden brown perfection. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is surprisingly easy to make. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the potato mixture to achieving that perfect crispy texture. So grab your ingredients, gather to savor the aroma, and let's cook up the storm together. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 2 large potatoes washed and peeled. Then simply cut the potatoes into thin slices. You can also use a potato slicer if you got. Make sure the slices are this thin. Once you cut the potato slices, then leave it aside. Then to make the pakora batter, take half cup besan flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, add some salt to taste, few chopped coriander leaves, and keep adding water little at a time until thick batter. This will help you to make sure that you are not adding too much water. Keep mixing and adding little water at a time until you get this consistency. As you can see that the batter is not too thick and not too thin as well. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply add a few potato slices and give it a nice mix and coat it with the batter. Make sure the batter slightly coats the potato slices. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply deep fry the potatoes. Also make sure to do this step to give a final coat just before frying. Fry it until crispy and golden brown. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. And fry it on a medium flame. Then simply flip it on the other side so that it cooks on both the sides evenly. So the potato pakoras are cooked now. Then simply remove it in a separate plate. Make sure to drain the excess oil nicely. And there you have it guys, a delicious and easy to make aloo pakoras. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for aloo pakoras as much as I enjoyed making it for you. They are a perfect snack or appetizer. I hope you will try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.